Hi, this is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. In today's video of custom FreshBooks training, I want to walk you through what you see on the FreshBooks dashboard. What you're looking at is what you see when you first log into FreshBooks. This is just my sample file, nothing personal. In the upper left-hand corner, I have my name. So in this case, my name of my business is FreshBooks Evaluation. Down below, I have my dashboard, which is what you're currently looking at. My dashboard gives me things that I can do. I can invite, so I can say I'd like to invite an admin, somebody with the same user rights that I have, a manager, an employee, a contractor, or my accountant. If I invite my accountant, they're going to have different permissions that I have. For example, my accountant can make journal entries, but not make invoices. To the right of that, I have the Create New. This is where I'd want to go if I wanted to take an action or do something. So I can create a new client or a retainer or an invoice, log an expense. You get the idea. Down below, I can see my outstanding revenue. So my make-believe business, you can see for Super Client, has about $2,000 worth of outstanding invoices that I'm hoping to collect on. Beneath that, I can see my profit. Clearly, I'm spending more money in my make-believe business than I'm bringing in. My profit is a negative $9,000. You can kind of see the graph of how things are going. I should probably make some more pretend invoices to bring that up. As I go further down, I can see my revenue streams. It seems like my best revenue is in-person sales. Beneath that, I can kind of see a snapshot of how I'm spending my money. These examples are just where I threw stuff willy-nilly. I wouldn't actually put stuff into uncategorized. The last thing I see is my unbilled time, and this is where I've logged that I work 1 hour for Doe Enterprises. In the next video, I'm going to dive in how to do some of these tasks, such as how to create an expense and an invoice and to track your time. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment, send me an email, or schedule an appointment. Thank you so much.